Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, your go-to channel for all things beautiful and blooming. With a decade of experience nurturing gardens, I'm thrilled to share one of my absolute favorite, tried and true secrets for propagating stunning roses right at home. Forget expensive rooting hormones. Today, we're going natural, and you won't believe the magic of just carrots. Where are you watching from? Leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, cost-effective, and incredibly effective method that will have your rose cuttings sprouting white roots and blooming like crazy in no time. Here's what you'll need and how we'll do it. Step 1. Prepare your rose cuttings. First, select a healthy rose stem, about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Make a clean 45-degree angle cut at the base. This increases the surface area for new roots to emerge. Then carefully remove most of the leaves, leaving just one or two at the very top. Step 2. Natural disinfection and hydration. Next, we'll use a simple garlic clove to disinfect the cut end. It's a natural way to protect your cutting. After that, soak your prepared stems in clean water to ensure they're well hydrated before the next step. Step 3. The carrot rooting stimulant, the secret sauce. Now for the star of the show, carrots. Carrots are packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, along with minerals like potassium and phosphorus, all of which are fantastic for root growth. Plus, the beta-carotene protects young plant cells, and the natural sugars provide an initial energy boost for your cuttings before they can photosynthesize. To make our rooting solution, chop up some carrots, blend them with about 200 milliliters of water, and then strain the mixture to get pure carrot juice. Step 4. Sweetening the deal with honey. To this this amazing carrot juice, we'll add 250 milliliters of water to dilute it, and then a spoonful of honey. Honey isn't just for tea. It contains enzymes and minerals that greatly aid in callus formation and root development. Stir it all together until well combined. Step 5. The perfect growing medium. For successful rooting, your soil needs to be loose and well drained. My secret mix: a 1-to-1 ratio of clean sand and coconut fiber. Sand ensures quick drainage, preventing waterlogging, while coconut fiber retains just the right amount of moisture. This creates an ideal environment for those delicate young roots. Before planting, add a small slice of carrot to your growing medium in the cup for an extra nutrient boost. Then, moisten the medium thoroughly with your carrot and honey solution. Step 6. Planting your cuttings and creating a microclimate. Once your soil is perfectly moist, carefully plant your rose cuttings. To protect them and create a humid microclimate, cover each cutting with a plastic cup that has small vent holes. Place your potted cuttings in a spot with soft indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight. Step 7. Daily care. Water your plants lightly twice a day. Once in the morning and once in the cool afternoon, using your carrot juice and honey solution. Remember, avoid overwatering to prevent waterlogging. End. The amazing results. After just 3 weeks, you'll be amazed. Your rose cuttings will have taken root and started to sprout beautiful new buds. This method is not only incredibly easy, but also super cost-effective and environmentally friendly. You can use this technique to propagate so many of your favorite rose varieties and fill your garden with their beauty. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more natural flower growing tips. When your new roses have many buds, you can snip off the flowers to encourage the plant to focus its energy on developing more buds and a stronger root system. Thanks for watching, and here's to a garden full of gorgeous roses.